Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can do the taxi side mission in your GTA San Andreas game. So to do the taxi side mission in your GTA San Andreas game, first of all you have to do is find a taxi, and when you find a taxi you guys you can just come here and enter the taxi. And after you have done that, you can see that there is a button right there to toggle submission. Now you can press on R to toggle the submission, and it's telling you that the taxi driver side mission has now been started. Now it will tell you to look for a fare, and you can just look for one who is looking for a taxi driver. So just like that, it will be noted in the map as a blue icon, and once the passenger has arrived, it will tell you that where you need to drop them. So just like this, you need to drop them to this yellow location, and after you have done like 50 fares, I think so, if you do 50 passengers in a taxi, then you will have completed the side mission, and all of the taxis will now have nitros just like this. So this taxi has nitros because I have completed all of the 50 fares of this taxi side mission. So that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.